Hello, welcome back to Fattish2 Fittish. So today figured I'd film a workout. Shock. Workout channel, film it. Anyway, not going to be doing it in the same way as I have been doing, whereby I've been kind of suggesting exercises to do in place of a gym or out, stuff like that. Every now and again, I like to do something that I've affectionately named a Punisher workout. So normally when the gym is open, I'll say on a Saturday or something when it's full of dickheads walking around in stringers all day, can't be arsed with that shit. I'll take myself over to the sled, attach a rope to it, attach a load of weight to it, and I'll spend an hour just pushing it down one way down the gym and pulling it back. And you do that for an hour, you'll soon find it puts hairs on your chest. There's no messing with it, there's nowhere to hide. You can't really rest, you know, it's just, you're done when the time's up. There's no rep count on it, there's no shit like that, and yeah, works every muscle in the body, tears me to bits. Bit of a functional workout, but yeah, haven't got a gym at the minute, haven't got a sled, so I've fashioned something that should be equally painful, a nice way to ruin my week. So it's going to go something along the lines of 5 kilometer run to start it, and then 5 1-minute rounds of hitting my lorry tyre with a sledgehammer, flipping my lorry tyre, farmer's walk, deadlifts, and then alternate rounds of push-ups and dips off the tyre. And then to end, I'm going to attempt another 5k run. Probably won't succeed, but I'm going to cover that distance regardless, whether it's a run/walk, whether it's a crawl, whether I run to the top of the hill, die and roll back to the bottom of it. That distance is getting covered. End of story. So yeah, just taking you for the journey really. Hope you enjoy. Record for the first round. Let's see you inside. So a question I've just asked myself and figured I'd answer for you guys as well is why do this to myself? Why choose to ruin a week with quite a difficult workout? And jotted a few reasons down. They're all functional movements. It's all well and good, say bench pressing or deadlifting or shit like that, but unless you're in a position where you need to make the ground log up on the floor or push people away really, really hard or out shit stuff like that, then you don't really translate to everyday life, whereas, then have the ability to dominate the chance that I get bored to it in. It's a muscle group, so yeah, and it's a good mix of cardio and strength, so it's good for the endurance, good for just all around gains, really. So yeah, that's why I do it. If you like watching me suffer, like, subscribe. There's plenty more where that came from. Yeah, in a bit. Cheers. Thanks for watching.